For those of you who don't know, Print That Thing is an educational platform that focuses on transforming people into confident 3D print designers in a rapid time frame. We have courses that compound on one another and offer subscription options for extended educational material. Today, I want to talk to you about our 4-week workshops because we're currently filling enrollment for the upcoming month, and I want to make sure you get a chance to really dive into learning. We only offer workshops a couple months out of the year, but of all of our course offerings, this is the one that gets the best transformation for you. Inside our 4-week workshops, we provide an online learning environment of like-minded creatives working with me directly to learn our Beginner 100 through Beginner 104 series material within 4 weeks' time. So by the end of it, you will have created 10 3D printable objects on your own, no matter your skill level. When you complete the 4-week workshop, you will have fast-tracked your journey to be able to create anything. Every week, our workshop attendees are given assignments and video material in a specific order to maximize learning at its most efficient level. And the best part is, every Sunday we hold live meetups with myself and other workshop students where we discuss learning curves, go over everybody's assignments, and critique student works for community accountability and learning. With our workshops, we're not going to ask you to dedicate a ridiculous amount of time each week because we truly believe that learning software shouldn't take 4 years of your life. When you sign up for our 4-week beginner workshop, you're really only dedicating 3 hours of learning time a week. That's less time than most people spend on a Netflix binge, and if you do the math, less than 1 hour a day to gain the skill that will open so many doors for you. Ultimately, our 4-week workshop is built on compounding curriculum that will guarantee that each course and assignment you get through, you are learning something new and practicing previously learned skills. This makes learning easy and to the point. Not to mention, this is a skill that most people take months to learn on their own. Sure, you can totally learn Blender basics on YouTube, but I can promise you, we are one of the only resources that leverages Blender for 3D printing. Pair that with our hands-on workshop that is designed to keep you accountable and get you comfortable in as little as 4 weeks. We're going to teach you 3D print design basics faster than any other resource that you can find out there. So if you're someone who has never opened a 3D software, but you have an idea for an epic product, wouldn't it be worth taking just 4 weeks to learn a skill that gets you closer to that dream? Or if you're someone who has experience in 3D print design and want to add Blender to your 3D print tool belt so that you can design more organic designs, wouldn't it be worth the investment? But maybe you're someone who's tried to learn 3D software in the past and quickly became overwhelmed. This workshop will guide you through the process in such a way that your overwhelm turns into a positive learning experience. We have helped powerhouses in the industry get started with Blender for 3D printing. We have also helped people who have never 3D designed anything in their life get comfortable enough to focus in and start a whole 3D printing brands and services. Today, I want to offer you an opportunity to join our 4-week beginner workshop and get you a seat so you can really start learning a skill that is going to change your life. So in this workshop offer, you're going to get access to our Beginner 100 course, which teaches you the basic user interface of Blender and really gets you comfortable with it. Our Beginner 101 series, which really lets you dive into the PTT Blender hack file and how to use it. The Beginner 102 series, which introduces you to product design for home decor and wearables. The Beginner 103 series that dives a little deeper into complex design techniques and introduces you to toy design and product slicing. And then our Beginner 104 series is what wraps up the workshop by introducing the basics of 3D sculpting for 3D print design, as well as introduces practical design workflow for designing accessories for real-world objects, like your cell phone. You'll also get access to an exclusive 4-week workshop Discord where students will be able to interact and share their progress with other workshop students. And because this workshop is a group effort, you get access to weekly online instructional meetups with your instructor, me, for accountability and assignment evaluations. Every workshop student also gets a guaranteed 1 hour of one-on-one time with me to help you get through any hurdles you might have. And because we truly believe in your growth after the workshop, each workshop student gets their first year to our online membership completely free. So you'll get access to additional course material long after the workshop ends. To top it off, we offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. That means if you get halfway through the workshop and you don't think this is for you or there's no way you've learned anything new, we will happily give you your money back. Our workshop offer has an incredible value of $1,385, which is a fraction of the cost of a semester at school, where they charge you anywhere between $20,000 to $53,000 for 1 year. If all this did was get you comfortable designing your dream product, this workshop would be a dream come true, right? Or if all this did was get you up to speed in 4 weeks instead of 12 months, surely you'd see the value. Thankfully, because we understand that price is just as important as value, we sell our workshop seats for $750. That's over 45% off the value of what the workshop is really worth. And don't forget, we offer a 14-day money-back guarantee. That means if you get halfway through the workshop and you truly believe that you won't gain the skills promised, that you wasted your time, or just did not get any value that you were expecting, you're able to get all of your money back. You really have nothing to lose. So our enrollment for the upcoming month closes really soon, and your access to this discount is going to disappear the moment our seats are filled. We only do these workshops a few months out of the year, so I would highly recommend claiming your seat as soon as possible. After this workshop, we truly believe that you'll be able to start designing your own ideas, creating those products that you've had in your head for ages, building a business that can change the world in a way that only you can do it. This workshop will set you up to enter into a rapid growing market of innovation and personal fabrication. Now is the time to get started so that you're not left behind the more the 3D printing industry grows. If you're in, go ahead and click the button below and save your seat now. Thank you again for your time and your interest in becoming a 3D print designer. The industry needs more designers, and we're here to help you along the way. Seeing what other people create is really one of the biggest pleasures about being in the 3D print makerspace. Keep creating.